Good morning, Moo Man. Say hi, YouTube community, my whole Moo Man community. Say welcome back today. So guess what? I got some new toys. So we're going to see what Moo thinks about his new toys. Yes, so we're going to get down. I've got them over here on the porch. See? Right over here on the porch, and we're going to get down. Let's walk over here where we can see them. So you can see what he got. A shark and some fish. Yeah. And a helicopter. Oops, sorry about the fingers. Sorry about the fingers. Now, let's see. And he goes round and round. A little shaky thing in there. So, let's see. And then these little fish, they're just little, not rubber, but kind of hard rubbery plastic. Anyway, we're going to see what Moo thinks. So let's get him down here and let's check out and see what his favorite is. See what you think. It's your toys. What do you think? Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Ooh, Moo Man. Him don't like him toys. Oh. See what else you can get into? Come play with your toys. You gonna play with your toys? He doesn't like them. Oh, he wants to get back on his stick. Up on a chair. Okay, well, let's try again. Okay, so we're on the chair and we are not having any of it. And we have a shark. Oh, we have a fish. What do you think about the fish? A fish? Oh, turn him this way. What do you think? Oh, nope. Okay, well, let's get the helicopter. What do you think? Is a toy! No? Here. You don't want to play with it? Here, Moo. Here. He doesn't. It's the cutest little thing. Here. Can make him go. Look, hold on. Look, the little helicopter thing goes round and round. Look at there, you can do it. You can do it. And on the floor it goes. You don't like it? Okay, I don't like my toys. Don't like my toys, but Mom is eating a oatmeal cream pie. And, and it was good. He doesn't normally get sugar. Let me get out of your chair. Oh, okay. Up the chair you go. Why he likes to be on the chair, but he likes it. Yes? What is this? Oh, I got your attention now. It's oatmeal cream pie. Just a little bitty bite. Ready? Say thank you. Is it good? Well, it's what? It's good? Is it good? What are you looking for? You want more. That was pretty good, wasn't it? Say thank you. Okay, so oatmeal cream pies, yes. Toys, no. Toys, no. No good. You don't like it? Okay, well, so we'll try some more toys. And we'll see. Maybe Dottie and Sweet Pea will play with them. I bet if I leave them laying right there on the porch, they will play with them. You want to see? Let's go open the door and see if Dottie and Sweet Pea will come play with your toys. Girls. Come on. There they are. Hi, sweet peas. Hi, sweet peas. Where's Dottie? Oh, What'd Dottie find? Come here, Dottie. Did you find a toy? Did you find a toy? Did you find any toys? What is it? What is it, Dot? What is that toy? Is it a toy? You don't like it either? Come here. Oh, look at Moo. What Moo did while I was gone. He said, I found it. You little toot-head. You little toot-head. You got the whole thing. And the paper and all. Moo. You're not supposed to eat a whole oatmeal cream pie. Oh, you are not funny. Mommy left it where you could get it, didn't I? Look at you eating Mommy's oatmeal cream pie. She's eating the whole thing, Sweet Pea. Oh, look at you. I got it, and you're not getting it back, Mom. I bet I will get bit if I try to take it. Just don't eat the paper. Oh, what? Is it good? Is it good? Look at him. He said I will make short work of this. The heck with the toys? Oatmeal cream pie? Definitely. Look at you. Oh, you're expert at that paper. You've never had paper before. Or a wrapper. You're funny. Look at you eating Mommy's oatmeal cream pie. Is it good? I gotta make sure you don't get no paper. You're not gonna eat the paper anyway, are you? You can work that beak. Oh, you have to poke a hole through it. Oh, you dropped it. Look at you. Wrapper, no problem. Can I have that part? Can I have it back? Can I have it? Huh? Oh my goodness, look at you. Look at you. Okay, Dottie likes oatmeal cream pie too, huh? Is it good? Was it good? Well, Moo's eating it. Moo is eating our oatmeal cream pie. Through the paper. You're funny. You're slowly but surely getting it out of there, aren't you? Well, is it good? How is it? How is it? Oatmeal cream pie. Oh. Look, Dottie. Dottie's like, oh. Eat it. Say thank you, Mama. Does Sweet Pea want a bite? Sweet Pea likes oatmeal cream pie too. Oh, that's it. I didn't have any more. Just a little bite, because Moo is not sharing. And he is dropping a little, so the girls can have the little bit that he dropped. Look at you. There goes Sweet Pea. Was it good? My Sweet Pea. Oh, Dot, don't get too close. That bird will get you. Okay. Well, he made short work of that. Was it good? Okay, I gotta have the paper back. You gotta give it back. Okay, give it back. Can I have it? Can I have it? Give me this. Oh, I got it. Okay, well, there is nothing left, as you can see. Uh-huh. That's mine, huh? Well, guess what? You better get down, because Moo is cleaning up his mess. Aren't you? Gonna clean it up off of the chair? Look at the mess you made. Look at the mess you made. Well, are you gonna clean it up? You are? Okay, we've got a big old mess. Girls, he's got to clean up his mess, doesn't he? Okay, let's get you stick. Come on. Moo Man, we ready? All right, step up. Step up. Let's go. Back to your swing. No, I did. Oh. Hold on, we got a cord. No. Run into the cord. He said, oh, I got that. I do not have, this is why I do not handle Moo. Moo is a biter. Moo is 38 years old, just had a birthday at the beginning of this month. And he grew up in a great big home with lots and lots and lots of kids. And they teased him and they thought it was funny. So now Moo is a biter. So I can pet and love Moo when Moo wants to be petted and loved. No, Sweet Pea. That was a good girl. No, Dottie. No, Poopy. Mama gotta clean that up. No. Dot. No. Eating the bird poopy. That is another problem. But anyway, so Moo has his stick. Because sometimes he's like, oh, I will just love you. And sometimes I will bite you. And you see that piece of wood? That's like a finger. Right? And now you're ready to go up because you've eat all your snack. Didn't want your toys. Well, you're making me dizzy. All right. Well, say bye-bye. 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 Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.